So, welcome to Novatech Solutions. Would you care to introduce yourself?
Well, my name is Fabio. I'm 22 years old and I come from Oxford University. I'm studying engineering, well, to be more specific, industrial engineering. And I'm here to see if I can be a candidate to this job, well, inter job.
Okay, so I have your resume. So, would you mind if I ask you some questions?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, my first question is, can you tell me what are your approaches to quality control?
Control. I believe that my approaches are really high, and I know I can do too much stuff. I have skills in tools, in programming. I have the I have the required skills for these kind of jobs. So I believe that I am a good option of this.
And what are your strategies for continuous improvement and learning?
Well, besides studying, because it's the most essential thing to be successful, I believe that taking rest is really important. Not all the time you are going to study. So I think a part of being successful is that you take your time in order to learn something, to be patient on that. And of course, if you don't have that mindset, you are not going to be successful.
Okay, can you define industrial engineering for me?
Well, industrial engineering is this engineer in order to optimize lots of process, lots of even programs, because uh, as a society, what we want is to progress, and if we don't progress, we are not going to be uh, really successful as a company. And of course, optimize is not everything, but it is essential to a part of a progress. The progress is not only to innovate, but optimizing is also important.
Okay, that's really nice. Let me ask you this. Who do you admire in this field?
In this field, I believe that I admire my dad. What my dad? I don't believe in this kind of persons that are really good at their work. And most specifically in industrial engineering, I believe my dad worked hard in order to be successful in the way he is now, and he's my hero. Actually, my dad is my example to be. So I believe my dad is the best.
Okay, that's really personal. I would like to ask you then, if what are your main objectives to accomplish in this role?
Well, in this role, what I want to be is successful with you, and of course, I want to achieve teamwork in the company, because I search and I see that you are working in teams. So I believe that I can progress on that, and in order to have this experience and be a great manager in the future. Maybe it could happen, maybe no, it depends on you, but I believe that I can contribute to this team in order to be successful as a company.
Okay, thank you very much.